Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing circle. So today's section I am going to discuss the exercise 10.5, the seventh problem. So what is that one? If the diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameters of a circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. So here they give a cyclic quadrilateral. So we want to prove that cyclic quadrilateral is a rectangle. So here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because the four vertices on the circle, right? And AC and BD, these two are the diagonal of the cyclic quadrilateral, and these two also diameter of the circle because these two diagonal passing through the center of the circle, right? So here O. So these two also diameter of the circle, and we want to prove here ABCD is a rectangle. So let me solve here. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD are the diameter of the circle. Right. So now here the angle ABC is equal to half of the angle AOC. Write down here the angle ABC is equal to half of the angle AOC. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into angle AOC is a straight line. It means 180 degree. So this is equal to 90 degree. So angle ABC is a 90 degree. Also another reason here, angle ABC is framed in a semicircle. So we know that in a semicircle angles are 90 degree, right? In a semicircle angles are right angle. Already we know that one. So here AC is the diagonal of the circle. So here ABC is angle in a semicircle. So it is a right angle. So write down here reason. Consider AC as a chord. So AC as a chord means this angle is half of the AOC, right? And we know that the sum of the opposite angle is a 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angle is a 180. So angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180. Write down reason here. Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180, right? And here we know that angle ABC is a 90 degree, right? So 90 plus angle ADC is equal to 180. Then the angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 90. We got 90. The angle ADC is equal to 90. So it is also 90 and it is also 90. And also the angle BAD is equal to half of the angle BOD. angle BAC is equal to half of the angle BOD, right? So this is equal to 1 by 2 into BOD is a straight line, it means 180. So here we got 90 degree. Here considering chord BD. Considering BD as a chord, right? Now here the angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180. BAD plus angle BCD. Sum of opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Right? Sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. So here we know that angle BAD is 90. So 90 comes this side, minus 180 minus 90 is angle BCD is equal to 90, right? So here see the figure, all angles are a 90. In a cyclic quadrilateral the all angles are a 90. It means it is a rectangle, right? This implies each interior angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is of 90. Hence it is a rectangle. Hence proved here. Is it clear?